Welcome to MMR Malfunctonium, where repeats break, where one missed fix can change a fate. From family tree to therapy, from tissue block to destiny, from mismatch to mutation. Let's begin. DNA rolls, copy that code, base by base on the replication road. A with T and G with C. Looks so clean, but not always free. Pole alpha starts, delta checks, epsilon runs, what follows next? Select it, proof it, fix it fast. The tiny mistakes are built to last. Select it, proof it, fix it fast. The tiny mistakes are built to last. MMR Malfunctonium, hold the line, keep the genome true in time. If repair breaks down and repeats fly high, that's the road into MSI. The MMR low, MSI on the rise. Read the cause, read the sign. Protein loss, unstable line. MSH2 with MSH6, scan the strand and catch the slips. MLH1 with PMS2, bring the repair machinery through. PCNA shows where to start, PMS2 cuts the broken part. XO1 clears, delta fills, ligase seals what repair rebuilds. Scan it, make it, cut it, fix it, fill it, seal it. Short repeats can slip in line, repair should fix them every time. If repair is lost, the shift stay free. That repeat drift is called MSI. MSI can hit key genes too, growth and death can drift from view. Repair genes can be damaged too, so MSI keeps pushing through. Some are written in the family tree, Lynch syndrome in the pedigree. MLH1, MSH2, MSH6 and PMS2. EPCAM puts which MSH2, some are sporadic, that is true. Graph may start that sporadic track, MLH1 can fade and not come back. MMR Malfunctonium, read the sign, read it right, cause below an effect inside. If repair goes down, and repeats go high, that's the pathway into MSI. Same disease, different roots, same marker, branching roots. Screen the colon, screen the womb, catch the risk before the bloom. Womb likes IHC, colon reads by PCR clearly. MLH1 loss, check what's true. BRAF for methylation gives the clue. MSH2 loss, Lynch may be, not all are inherited in a family. Check the controls before you read. Right internal stain is what you need. 10% strong retained is true. No nuclear stain, loss comes through. Weak or faint or less than 10. Call and terminate, test again. 2 or 5 means MSI high. 0 means stable by and by. 1 alone is MSI low. Usually treated stable though. Not just colon, not just womb. Other organs join the room. Stomach, bowel, biliary too. Ovary, pancreas, prostate come through. Urinary tract and sebaceous skin. Brain and CMMR joins in. Colon has an MSI kind. Wombus groups we keep in mind. Pole, dMMR, NSMP, P53 stand separately. Checkpoint drugs can turn the tide when immune cells gather by the side. Rat-sided tumors, kills rise high, cone like cuffs and moose nearby. Poorly formed but not always grim. MSI can change the course for them. 5 few may not help come through. Stage 2 colon can skip 5 few. If all 4 proteins fade away in a child, don't look away. MMR Malfunctonium, hold the line, keep the genome true in time. If repair breaks down and repeats fly high, that's the road into MSI. dMMR low, MSI on the rise. Read the cause, read the sign. Protein loss, unstable line, cause below sign MSI. Find the why. Don't miss the shift.